Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks. And right now I am in a lesson with
Emma.
And Emma is going to play this really great song called The Witch Who Lost Her Broom for the Halloween recital, which is only one more lesson away. And so, well, 2 lessons because you have a makeup lesson, but we made a little bit of a special arrangement of this song to make it a little extra fancy for the recital. So I'm going to record how it goes so Emma can remember what to do when she gets home, since it's a little different from what's written.
Really?
And just excuse my very bad piano teacher nails that are way too long.
Which you're not supposed to use. You're
Not supposed to have those nails. It's impossible to play with good technique with these nails, so I apologize.
But you have the beat, right?
Yeah, it'll sound like I'm a drummer. So here we go. We just start like it's written. Forte. Jump down, land on the 4th beat, or after the 4th beat. So, the things we added are, we added a repeat sign, and on the repeat you jump down and play the whole song an octave lower, and you should jump so that you only have 4 beats between the last note and then the first note of the repeat. And then, at the end, we add the leapfrog on the D, which is where the witch is flying away on her broom.
And my crash.
And hopefully she doesn't crash by playing the wrong note.
She crashes when the D is there. Well, she actually catches it.
So, you have any questions, Emma?
Yep.
It's very spooky. Can you give 2 thumbs up for Halloween?
Done.